Now, I've been working up north for some time, and I have a lot of people ask me about the South. And so in the interest of sisterly and brotherly love, I want to take a moment and share some of the secrets of the South with some of my great northern friends that I've gotten to know. And it's not just for, northerners. If you have friends who live in Colorado or California, you can share this with them as well. I just want to talk to you a few minutes about grits. People tend to think that all the grits that get consumed in the South are because we eat them, and indeed we do. We eat them in large quantities, not with sugar though. But there's a lot more to grits than just eating them. Grits are one of the miracle foods that's been around in the South since the Indians roamed freely about, and scientists are only now catching up with what we've known for generations. I want to share with you some of the secrets of grits today. Now, down south, after breakfast, we always have some grits left over in the pot. And these grits, they get coagulated, and that's a funny word for stiff. Stiff grits have amazing properties. One of the things you can do with stiff grits is you can use them for pain relief. I'm not kidding. You can just say you have some stiff joints or something like that, You can just take these grits and you supply them liberally right there where the pain is. And then you take like a hot cloth or something and just wrap it up like that. Grits just go to work. They just start drawing that pain right out. Lots of times after a hard day, I'll take my stiff grits from breakfast and I'll put them in a pan. And when I get home, I take my boots off and I just push my tired feet right down in the pan. But you better be careful and have your PJs on, be close to bed, because you're likely to nod right off to sleep. And when you come to, you just want to be able to slip right under the blanket. That's it. Lights out. But grits are more than just for pain relief. They're an amazing beauty treatment. I'm serious. It's no accident that the preponderance of beautiful women in the world live in the South. And these days, it's not just for women anymore. Times have changed. Now, my grandpa didn't use stiff grits for beauty, but it's totally acceptable for men to do this today, and there's nothing to feel ashamed about. So here's what you do. Take some of your stiff grits, and you make a facial with them. Just close your eyes and rub the grits over those closed eyes, and the grits go to work. Stiff grits are full of antioxidants. They can just, purge your skin from all those unwanted oxidants. And the best thing, it works while you're asleep. So you can just put these stiff grits on before bed, and the next morning you wake up and your skin is feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, vibrant, young, healthy. It's amazing. Now, in the interest of safety, I don't know who you are, but I just want to warn you not to use hot grits. Besides lacking some of the chemical properties of stiff grits, hot grits can burn you. We don't want that. Every 2-year-old in the South know that hot grits will burn the crap out of you. So only stiff grits. So there it is. One of the secrets of the South. Just go ahead and give it a try. If you have some questions, you can write to me. I'd love to hear from you how it works for you. Thank you so much.